Essential Yoga Stretches for Newbies. Welcome to our beginner's guide to basic stretching exercises in yoga, designed to introduce you to a world of flexibility. First, we'll start with the mountain pose, grounding your feet and reaching the sky, establishing a strong foundation for your practice. Transitioning smoothly, we'll explore the forward fold, hinging at the hips, allowing your hands to meet the earth, and releasing tension. Next, the cat-cow stretch awaits, where you'll synchronize your breath with movement, arching and rounding your spine like a wave. Let's then move into the downward-facing dog, an all-encompassing stretch that rejuvenates the body, encourages blood flow, and strengthens muscles. We'll gently ease into the warrior pose, a powerful stance that builds confidence and stretches your legs, chest, and shoulders. To close, we'll embrace the child's pose, a restful stretch that soothes the mind and body, wrapping up our session with tranquility.